Faye, I'm planning to start my own cafe kaya lang nahihiya akong magsimula with a small espresso machine. Kasi feeling ko, i-judge ako ng mga tao na nagka-cafe ako pero ang liit ng espresso machine ko. Well, here's the thing, okay? In fact, if you have joined in any of my face-to-face classes, I really use a smaller espresso machine. Okay? I don't care if they judge me like that, but here's the thing. Here's the secret that I tell to my students why we use a small scale espresso machine. Now, comparing when I was still starting out, no, 7 years ago, espresso machines used to be at least 200K. Okay? And if you have that huge amount just for an espresso machine, it would mean that you would need at least 1 million pesos to start your own cafe, right? So, here's the scenario. Pili ka. Okay? First is, you try to wait for the right time for you to have that 1 million pesos to start your cafe. 1. Okay? Mag-save ka, mag-wait ka until there's that right time. Then, the second one is, ito yung sinasabi ko sa mga students. Why not? Okay? Start with a small scale espresso machine. For as long as you know the coffee extraction, you know how to brew, you know how to use the espresso machine, it would still give you the great espresso that you would need for your coffee shop. Smaller and cheaper espresso machines does not mean the quality of the coffee is cheap. No. Same lang naman yung nasa loob. It's just the brand that's making it more expensive. And also the boiler inside. So, what I tell them is start small, start with a smaller espresso machine, and then start selling. Okay? And when you start selling, what happens? You get to start earning, okay? And you get to have data. Kasi as you start earning, you would get to know your customers, you would get to know the coffee business industry. And by then, let's say after a year of selling using your small scale espresso machine, of course, kasi maliit yung espresso machine mo, so your expectations are also the same. You would expect that in a year, you need to change your espresso machine to a bigger one. By then, na you need to change it to a bigger one, you would now have the right data with your sales if it's worth it to buy a bigger espresso machine. And you would have the money kasi you started selling already and you started earning already. Compared to, number one, naghintay ka na magkaroon ka ng 1 million pesos or a 200K to buy a professional espresso machine before you started your cafe. And then, after a year of saving, na-realize mo, hala, ang hirap parang mag-cafe. Parang it's not for me. Eh, paano yan? Naglabas ka na ng 1 million pesos or naglabas ka na ng 200K for the espresso machine, di ba? So don't be afraid to start small because when you start small, you start earning with a lower capital and most especially you get the data, the very important data that you would need for bigger decisions such as shelling out 1 million pesos for your coffee shop. So I hope this gives you that confidence, that push na wag kang matakot, wag kang mag-alala when they say, hala, nag-coffee shop siya pero ang liit ng machine niya. Let them be. Because no matter what you do, kahit nga wala kang gawin, they would still judge you. So why not just make your dreams happen, but do it with a strategy?